Hello again. There's an audio portion that I'm still trying to get, but this came out just a few minutes ago. It's the scheduling order for what's going to take place next in colborn's case. The court held telephone scheduled conference. I'm still trying to get access to that. It's on the site, but I haven't been able to pay for it. Conference parties, attorneys, July 28th, 2021. So the following scheduled procedures. Discovery, all facts discovered must be completed no later than April 8th, 2022. Discovery requests must be served sufficiently in advance of this deadline that timely response are due before deadline expires. In accordance with Federal Civil Public 26 primary expert witness disclosures are due or before April 29th, 2022. Rebuttal expert witness disclosures are due on or before May 26, 2022. These documents are to be exchanged between the parties but not filed with the court. All expert discovery must be completed no later than July 26, 2022. Expedited non-dispositive motions must be comply with Civil LR 7H. Counsel seeking non-dispositive procedural relief shall consult with opposing party and include in the motion a statement indicating whether or not the motion is opposed. Summary judgment must comply with federal blah 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 and shall be filed on May 13th, 2022. Final pretrial and trial. A final pretrial and trial will be scheduled after all dispositive motions have been resolved or in the event such motions are not filed after the deadline has passed. Additional procedures. All requests of the court must be made by formal motion in accordance with civil and federal rules of procedural procedure. Counsel are to confer and make a good faith effort to settle this case and explore various methods of alternate dispute resolutions. The court will refer to the case to one of the magistrate judges for mediation at no cost to the parties when a request is made at least 90 days prior to the final pretrial conference. Settlement discussions must be completed prior to the final pretrial conference. In cases where settlement occurs after the final pretrial conference, the court may impose jury-related costs, including notification, travel, attendance fees, upon reasonable attorneys. The foregoing schedule shall not be modified except upon a showing of good cause and by leave of the court. The pendency of motions or settlement discussions shall not justify modification of the schedule nor delay taking of discovery. So ordered this date, July 28th, 2021, by Brett H. Ludwig. So basically, that Rule 26 that they filed, they granted it. And we won't have movement in this case for till April 2022. Yeah, I don't know. It's been a rough day today. With the news with Avery, appeal being denied. I'm not surprised. I knew the procedural bar thing was going to come into effect. Just, I don't know. It's been a crazy. I can't make sense of any of this. But I'm sure Zellner's got this under control. She probably expected this based upon her tweets, if you guys have seen them. I don't know. I don't even know if it's worth playing this audio hearing because pretty much sums it up right here in this document. Yeah, I've seen the Zellner's tweets. I've seen lots of things. My phone's been blowing up ever since the document came out. I don't know. I really don't have much more to say, but I guess we'll hear something about this Colborn defamation suit in about 9 months, 8 months, something like that. I don't know. I may still try to get the hearing, but I really don't see no point, because based upon the Rule 26 that they filed a week ago, they're granting everything that they put in that. So, I don't know. Y'all got any questions? Y'all give me more credit than I deserve. I don't know. Yeah, I put a lot of time in this case, but it's my choice. I chose to do all this. I never thought that this would consume me like it did, but I see the injustice. Truth will always come out. It's hopefully sooner than later. I mean, I don't see no point in going over same old we've always been rehashing. I do realize that there's new people coming into this case every day. Well, my videos will always be there, so I don't know. Y'all have a good night.